Suspended many family a function on the North Shore at Buttercrisp at about 2 a.m. It's well worth it. We've got a few thunderstorms on the North Shore as well as into Mississippi. Little boundaries kind of helping some of these thunderstorms get going. A little heavier just to the north of Harrison County, although it looks like that is weakening. And in central St. Tammany, as well as kind of a weakening shower in parts of Tangi and south of the lake. Had a few little pop-up showers here and there, but most of those are coming to an end. Didn't see the rain coverage today that we saw yesterday, and likely going to see similar rain conditions coverage-wise, chances for tomorrow and Saturday before a little disturbance might help us out for Sunday. Bigger thunderstorm again in southern Mississippi, kind of winding down now, and a few of the passing clouds from those thunderstorms. 96 degrees was our high today, not quite up to the records. And as we head into the next several days, especially by next week, we might see those high temperatures even higher. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy at the moment over downtown. A little more cloudiness on the North Shore with those thunderstorms, and a current reading of 93. High dew point makes us feel more like 107, and heat indices well above 105 at almost all locations is the reason why we will see yet another heat advisory during the day tomorrow. And it's this more oppressive humidity, pretty typical for the summertime, that sends those heat indices well above the criteria, or at the criteria, I should say, for a heat advisory, and we're likely going to see similar conditions again for tomorrow. Notice, though, tomorrow it also includes the Mississippi counties, which today it had not. Little disturbances keep rotating around the broad upper high, which is off to our west, and in fact will strengthen off to our west in the coming days. That, though, allows for these little disturbances to kind of rotate through and bring us a chance for showers and storms. Next couple of days looks like most of that type of activity will stay more to our east. So these little features, as they kind of move on by, they generally keep the rain chances a bit greater, lower Alabama, in the Florida Panhandle, at times maybe southern Mississippi. But as far as we go, 30, maybe at the very most a 40% chance in the next couple of days. But it does look like we'll get a disturbance that should move more over us as we get into Sunday and Monday, and even a low end risk for maybe some street flooding on that day as well. In the near future, the upper high is going to keep those little disturbances moving overhead. That upper high is going to strengthen over the west coast and the desert southwest. And as that starts to happen, temperatures out west will begin to soar. These are the temperatures, not the heat index readings, in the 117 range in Phoenix, 98 in Albuquerque. Texas temperatures will be into the triple digits, and that is a pattern which is going to last through the weekend and next week. Now for us, we're going to see the upper high start building over us into next week, and that will start sending our temperatures more toward the upper 90 range. Reason I did drop our temperatures here Sunday and Monday, and not that that is cool by any means, it does look like we should see a little bit more cloud cover and better rain chances for both Sunday and Monday. And so that might help our temperatures out, because we're looking at kind of a long duration with that upper ridging pattern keeping us likely well above normal. Quick check of the tropics. We are still watching Invest 94, which is looking a bit better organized, still has a medium % chance of development. It really doesn't matter what it does, because even if this were to become our next name storm, model guidance keeps this out over the central Atlantic. Strong wind shear, but more than anything, that Saharan dust is really playing a killer across the tropical Atlantic. So if that little system is able to do something, it may be that one only for the near future, because right now long-range models not indicating any real development out in the tropical basin. That's good for us. 30% chance again for tomorrow and Saturday, about what we saw today. Does look like a better chance on Sunday and Monday with an upper disturbance, but then drier and hotter as we continue into next week.